Kivimiehenkatu 4.
Amazing.
Yeah.
There's quite a lot of 50s cones in Kouvola.
Yeah.
Whoa. Very heavy door. Extremely heavy. Oh shit. Whoa. Built in 1957, age 7342. Amazing.
Yeah. Oh, so fast also. Maybe too speed. No! Oh, wow. This is so amazing.
Yeah. Oh wow, this is so fast.
Yeah. Weird sign.
What?
Weird sign.
Yeah, edit later.
Yeah. Oh.
Quite hard stop.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, because almost all 50s elevators are like that.
Not really. Yeah. 4% or 320 kilograms.
Good. Good. It has a lot of space actually.
Yeah. But not too harsh.
No.
Let's take a turn around. Let's go up and 10 too.
Yeah.
Because this is so fast.
Inspected by Elspecta and maintained by Otis. Nobody scrapped this.
Yeah. Swedish. Nice.
Yeah.
It was the second floor.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Strange.
Yep. Different floor numbering. Maybe a second elevator is just
Look, that's it. One.
Oh.
So the floor numbering was 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. New door mechanism.
That's worked quite well actually. Even though it's maintained by practice.
Yeah.
Oh, that didn't take long. So heavy.
Give it to me. I don't think so.